Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about different options while create a particular Revit family and which kind of options we need to choose while create a particular Revit family. So we'll discuss all these features in different videos. In this video, we'll cover the extrusion command, how we can create a Revit families while using the extrusion command of Revit family. So let's start. So as of now, I'm in Revit family mode. If you do not know how to go inside that one, so let me start from scratch. So I have created a dummy Revit project as of now. I hope you can create a Revit dummy project. Now what I can do, I can click on file option. I'll click on new because we are creating a new Revit family. So I'll click on family. Now this kind of dialog box will be opened. There are a lot of Revit family templates. How we know that these are Revit family templates? There are two options. First of all, you can see the type is Autodesk Revit family template. Otherwise, you can see right there. It's family templates. Okay. .rft is the extension for Revit families. So all these are Revit family templates as of now. And I'll go with metric generic model. Why? Because as of now, I'm working in metric units. That is why it should be metric. And the second thing, why I'm choosing generic model, because for example, at this moment, I'm not sure that in which particular Revit category I have to put this my family that I'm creating as of now. So what you can do in that scenario, you can put in metric generic model and you can create the Revit family. And after creating the Revit family or in the middle of the project, if you want to change the category of Revit family, you can choose, you can change that one as well. Okay, so that is a better option to go with metric generic model. So that is why I'm going with this metric generic model Revit template, sorry, Revit family template, and I'll click on open. Now, so now you can see this is our Revit family user interface as of now. These are reference planes. If you click on, if I click on that one, you can see these are the reference planes. What are the uses of that one? First of all, because in this video, I'll may not be using these ones because I have covered how we can play with the reference planes and reference lines in my previous video. I'll put that video in the description of this particular video, so you can check that out as well. So as of now, we are not going with that one, but reference planes and reference lines are very useful when you are going with parametric Revit family creation. Okay. As of now, we'll discuss about these particular, what we can say, commands or options for this particular video. Okay. So we'll discuss about extrusion command. So I'll click on extrusion. I can choose any of the shape, whatever I wanted to create from this particular extrusion command. For example, I'll go with polygon. So I'll click on polygon. Right now I can select the sides of that particular polygon. I'll go with 6 sides, maybe. You can go with any sides, okay? Extrusion, you can fill right there how much extrusion you want. And in terms of depth, what we can say. So for example, I want 1000 mm depth or the extrusion and I'll click right there at the center and I'll click my extrusion command. This is the radius for the particular circle because what I choose, that is intrinsic, I guess. Yeah, inscribed polygon. It means the polygon will be inside the circle. There is another one that is circumscribed. And that one, the circle will be inside the polygon. It means the polygon will be outside of the circle, but not that much big difference. Okay. So for example, I'll press 1000 mm, what we can say, radius of that particular circle. So that is why it has created that particular polygon. If I click on finish command, it has created a 3D polygon, okay, with the particular depth or height, whatever we can say, the extrusion in 1000 mm. If you want to check, you can check. If I'll go in front view, I'll press DI command. You can see this 1000. If I'll check the radius as well, it will be 1000. Okay. You can also change in 3D if you wanted to play with 3D as well. For example, if you want to reduce this one, increase this one, whatever you want to do, you can do with that. Okay, like that. So that's our extrusion command. You can increase that one, decrease that one. You can go below than that or whatever you want to do. You can play with that. Okay. So this is our what we can say extrusion command. And also if you will go with the particular dimensions, you can go with that. For example, if I'll go with this one, the what we can say, okay, if I'll go with the parametric family creation, also I'll press AL command for aligning. I'm aligning my this bottom side with the reference plane. I'll lock this one. Okay, I'll create one more reference plane, so I'll go and create, click on reference plane, I'll create somewhere right there. Okay, I'll press AL command again, and I'll align with this one, lock this one. And what I'll do, I'll click this dimension, I'll click creating a parameter that will be instance. For example, that's length. Okay, randomly I'm creating that one, and that's fine. Now if I load this one into the Revit project, and I'll place it right there. Okay, I cannot see, maybe in 3D. Yeah, it's right there. And the parameter that I've chosen, that is length. Okay, so if I'll go with 1000 mm, it will be 1000. Okay, why it is going from below? Because our reference plane was this one. If you can remember, this is our reference plane, so it is locked with this one, and we can play with the bottom one. If you want to go with upper one, what you can do, you can either move this one earlier, or you can switch this one right there. Now if I'll go to load this one again, and if I'll go in 3D, if I'll increase this one by 2500 maybe, you can see it is increasing from top. Okay, so that is how we can play with the extrusion command. We can create the Revit family with the help of the extrusion command. In our next video, we'll discuss about the blend command, where we can use the blend command. What are the uses of that particular command as well. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.